Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into a fresh nail art design that's simple, elegant, and totally wearable. Nail art isn't just about painting pretty designs. It's really a way to express personality and creativity on the tiniest canvas possible, your nails. When you think about it, nails have become such an important part of fashion. They're like little accessories that can completely transform your mood. Whether you go bold with bright colors, stay soft with pastels, or add sparkle for that glamorous vibe, nail art is all about telling a story without saying a word. Right now, as I start, you can see I'm applying a clean base coat. This step is so important because it not only protects your natural nails, but also helps the polish glide on smoothly. It's almost like priming a wall before painting. Without it, the design won't look as sharp or last as long. For today's design, I wanted to do something minimal but still eye-catching. I'm starting with a soft neutral shade as the base. It's subtle, but it really makes the other details pop later on. Think of it as setting the stage for the little masterpiece we're about to create. Now, while I let that first layer dry, let's talk trends. Right now, nail art is having such a big moment. You've probably seen chrome nails all over social media, or even the glazed donut effect that became viral thanks to Hailey Bieber. But what I love most is that no matter what's trending, nail art always comes back to creativity. Even the simplest line, a tiny dot, or a swirl can look super stylish when placed thoughtfully. So, moving on, I'm adding some delicate strokes here with a fine brush. Don't worry if your lines aren't perfect. Nail art doesn't have to be flawless. In fact, sometimes those little imperfections give it character and make it uniquely yours. The key is patience. Take your time with each stroke, and remember, if you make a mistake, it's not the end of the world. Just clean up with a little acetone and try again. I'm also bringing in a pop of metallic polish for contrast. Metallics are great because they reflect light beautifully and instantly make your nails look more dynamic. A little shine can completely elevate a simple design into something that feels more polished. Pun totally intended. As I'm finishing up these details, I want to remind you that nail art doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. You don't always need fancy tools. Sometimes a toothpick, a sponge, or even tape can help you create amazing designs. What matters most is experimenting and having fun with it. Finally, to seal everything in, I'm applying a top coat. This step gives the nails a glossy finish and helps the design last longer without chipping. It's like the final protective shield that makes all your hard work shine. And there we have it, a chic, easy nail art look that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're doing your nails for a special event, a casual day out, or simply to give yourself a little self-care moment, remember that nail art isn't just about polish. It's about confidence, creativity, and feeling good every time you look at your hands. So, if you enjoyed watching this design come to life, don't forget to stick around for more ideas. Try this look out for yourself and let your nails be the statement piece of your style. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next nail art session.